I'm back for a quick little video. As everyone knows by the flowers on this box, I received a package today from Foxy Fix. So you can hear my voice is a lot better. I think I'm almost totally done with the flu and the bronchitis and all that other stuff that came with it. Just a little bit of a cough, and it's not a bad cough like it used to be. So let's see what we have in here. Ooh. So the first thing you see are lots of this foam stuff, or paper. They're business cards. And this is a new leather. It's one of the wild flowers, and it's called Sedona. I did have a Foxy Fix notebook in not the Sedona, the slightly lighter camel colored one, and I gave it to a student. It was like a single elastic, I think like a year or 2 years ago. 2 years ago? It was one of their like August specials, and I gave it to a student that loved bullet journaling. And so I like that they're doing this. They're showing you their fonts, and they're telling you what name the leather is. But let's take a look at what is in here. Ooh, we've got lots of those little paper worms everywhere. But we'll get the box out of the way. So this was the last Foxy Fix I got, and it is the neighbor's home. It is a spice leather, and it is in the sage color. And I've been loving using this notebook. It's such a soft leather. I had been going back and forth between the Chic Sparrow Mr. Darcy, which is a much firmer leather. I love this because it's firm, and it will soften over time, but I just had a thought that it would maybe last a bit longer than this, because it's so unlike any other leather that I've ever had. It's really smooth. There isn't much texture, but it does, as you can see, those are like fingernail markings. It can mark up really, really, really quick. Like here, I'll show you. See? And that was just the tip of my fingernail. But look, if you get it right away, you can kind of rub them out. Like it'll still be there, but not as present. So I've been doing January and February is like 2 book for the month. I've been in Passport because I always use Passport, but I've also been spending time in personal inserts. I've been using Cocoa Daisy and Peaky Dory Design inserts in both sizes. And so I wanted to try this beauty. Ooh, it looks really nice. It is the spice in the pepper. And it is, sorry the overhead light gives you a little bit of a glare, but it's in the personal size, where the Foxy Fix Land, that's a number 4. The Passport is a number 1. And so I got all of the normal pockets. The pocket here, I'll use a business card to show you. 1 pocket here, 1 pocket here, and even the, I'm not sure what that's called, the credit card pocket, ID pocket, and you'll see that's the same on both sides. And what's unique to this design is the large pocket here. And this leather, the spice feels like it's a bit thicker than the sage, but I mean it's a different animal hide, so of course it will be slightly different. So since I've been using my Chic Sparrow Mr. Darcy in the buttered rum, and it's darkened up a little bit. I had it sitting on my desk at the university for a couple of days of teaching, and the sun has gotten to it, so it has darkened quite a bit. Let me pull out the things that I have in here and see how they work in here. So I've been, really interested in both of these sizes because I've used the Passport forever, and the personal size was the first size Chic Sparrow I got, my creme brulee in the dark chocolate. Let me put these inserts in here so we can see what it looks like with it filled with folder and 4 inserts and a writing board. Here's my monthly. There we are. Oh, I think it will fit there. Me likey. Give a little structure. Okay, so this is the compact. You can see the compact has 3 holes. I'm not sure if you can see that. Or 4 elastics. You saw me put 4 items on. And look how much room there is in this. And this is the compact. So if you were to get this in the wide, this is a 1.25 inch, and I think the wide is like 1.5 inches or more. So you will be able to fit a ton of inserts and folders and dashboards. And I know all the ladies love all the different dashboards and vellums and all of that stuff. So you can make it as pretty as you want and fill it to your heart's content. It's interesting. This has, I'm not sure if you can see, it has a bit more texture than that. This is super smooth. This has a bit more texture. And you can see I went with black elastic. I thought I went with white. And black elastic and black stitching. For some reason I thought I wanted black or white stitching, but it looks really nice, solid black like that. And you'll see here I have like the creamy wheat stitching and the brown elastic. So it holds a ton of stuff. And you have these wonderful pockets here to display your beautiful clips and all of your wonderful stickers and ephemera. See, you can do that with your fun stuff. So let me show you the stuff that I have in here. I think it's almost the exact same stuff that I had in the Chic Sparrow, but a few new things. So my Taroko writing board, my Peaky Dory Design personal monthly calendar. This is the 2017-2018. You can now purchase the 2018-2019, so it'll be 2 years. I'm so looking forward to Thursday because that's my first day off in the last 4 weeks. And then here's a little folder that I made with some pink cardstock, and I used some of the February Cocoa Daisy papers and little pieces with my Cocoa Daisy insert. Here we are. I didn't mark off my students that I had today after this concert. And let's put film, YouTube, videos, 2 of them. 1 for Foxy Fix and 1 for Cocoa Daisy. There's the back of the folder. And then this is an insert. I don't remember who I got it from. I don't remember where I got it, but it's what I'm using for keeping track of our bills for the month. And then I've got these wonderful trackers that I'm doing to get some credit card debt paid off. And it's just a dot grid insert it's one that I've had. I wish people would put the name. I don't know. It's a personal size bullet journal insert from someone. And then I have a personal size zipper pouch with, you know, the credit card pockets, the long pocket, and the zipper pouch with some of my Porter Pieces stencils in the back that I keep. And then this is something new that I got. It's a grocery and meal plan. And it's actually a really nice one where you've got, you know, by category. And then you also have your meal plan for breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack. And you can even monitor your water intake for the entire week. And that's really all it is that same thing over and over. And again, I can't remember who I got this from. I'll see if I can find that on Etsy, and I will link it down below. But I just wanted to share with you a quick little unboxing of my Foxy Fix in the spice in the pepper. And some people have asked, you know, what do I think about the leather? And I really like the leather. One thing I like about the Chic Sparrow is I know that, I mean, you can see this is a sturdy leather. And, you know, sometimes for a man's wallet, you know, if you slide it in and out of your pocket, you can see it's much more compact. And I like that fact. It slips in and out of my pocket very easily. And I don't overstuff my notebooks. But something that is so nice about this leather is that it is incredibly soft, you know, which is a nice change. And again, you know, you can put cash in this pocket here, or papers, or, you know, anything you want. And then you have that in all of the sizes. So an even bigger one back here, you could take a letter piece of paper, fold it in half, and stick it back there. So if you get like notes from a meeting or something that you want to transfer into an insert or put into your computer, you've got the space to store it. But this one feels sturdier, and it could just be because it's a bigger piece of leather is why it feels sturdier. And it did come with an extra elastic, so you could you know, use it to bind 2 or more inserts on one elastic. So I just thought I'd share with you a quick little unboxing of my new Foxy Fix number 4 in the spice, and it is pepper. So if you have any questions, I'll link everything down below. Ask me, and I will get back with you as soon as I can. Okay? Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.